Good morning, class 7th. So today we are going to start with this lesson, chapter 5 of your grammar, determiners, at page number 33. At page number 33. Please open your books at page number 33, grammar books. Open your book at page number 33, determiners. What are determiners? The words which are used before nouns to fix or define the nouns in some way or the other are called determiners. Some determiners are a, an, the, my, this, some, either, every, enough, several. These are some very commonly used determiners. So determiners come at the beginning of the noun phrase. Now, what is noun phrase? It's a meaningful group of words that does the function of nouns. 2 या 3 ग्रुप का वर्ड्स होता है जो एज अ नाउन ही फंक्शन करता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड द नाउन फ्रेज. Now we have 2 groups of determiners. The first is Group A. Determiners are articles, possessives, demonstratives. So in the group A, these 3 types come. In that, articles comes, possessives comes, and demonstrative comes. Group B determiners are called as quantifiers and distributives. So we will later on discuss. First of all, we'll start with the group A determiners. These determiners help to identify the things, to say whether they are known or unknown to the hearer or the reader. Means in this, he wants to say that in group A determiners, they tell you about whether they are known or unknown to the hearer means सुनने वाला or the reader means पढ़ने वाला. And to say which ones the speaker is talking about. And उससे ये भी पता चलता है कि किसके बारे में या किन के बारे में स्पीकर बात कर रहे हैं. Whether the speaker is thinking of particular example or speaking in general. Means in A and the articles A and an are the indefinite article. When we are talking about in general, then we use A and an. An is used in front of all the vowels, the words starting with the vowels. So if we are talking about something particular, then we use the article the. So there are 3 kinds in group A. In group A we have 3 kinds: articles, possessive and demonstratives. So the articles are A, an and the. It will be discussed in details. You have already covered this chapter, so no need to tell me. Possessives. Possessives are my, your, his, her, its, are, their, one's and whose. Demonstratives, जिसमें हम किसी को demonstrate कर रहे हैं. This, these, that, those. These are demonstrative. How to use these determiners? Like we can say a cousin, my cousin, their cousin, your cousin. Now if we are using this article, so we can use A. Because the word starts with the C, it's a consonant, it is not a vowel. So it will start with the, we will use here the article A because an is used with the word starting with the vowels. So a cousin, my cousin, possessive में आ सकता है. Then their cousin, again possessive. Your cousin, again possessive. But we cannot combine, we cannot use this together. Like we use a also and the also, no. the cousin, no, it's wrong. My cousin, no, it is also incorrect. So group A determiners cannot be used together. तो ये जो ग्रुप ए डिटर्मिनर्स हैं इनको हम टुगेदर नहीं यूज कर सकते. लाइक द स्ट्रक्चर हैज टू बी either we use a or this. Okay, then बीच में जो भी phrases आएंगे of, mine, etc. is required to use group 2 group A determiners together. Article, demonstrative plus of plus possessive. So here she is a cousin of mine. Here A is the determiner. We have used article and of mine possessive. I like this bike of yours means here we have used the demonstrative and here the possessive. So now the nouns with possessives can be used like determiners. India's weather means something related to India. It is showing that it is something possessed by the India, the noun word. Jake's car means whose car? Jake's car. So we use apostrophe S. This is called the possessive form. Sailor's boat. Whose boat? Sailor's boat. So you have to write like this. When we are talking about someone plural subject, so it will be after S. Sailors. And if we are talking about the singular like Jake's, we said Jake's, so means here the inverted comma will come and S will be put after that. But here we are talking about sailors, all the sailors in collective form, so here it will come after S. Is it clear? So sailor's boat, men's cloth. So here it is showing the possession. Whose boat is this? Whose clothes it is? This form shows the nouns with the possessive. Now we turn the page. Now we'll start with the exercise number 1. I was not aware of. We can put here these things. I was not aware of these things. We can use articles, possessives or demonstratives. We have to read the sentence and find out that which will be the suitable to fit in here. The next is what an idea. Here the word starts with I, so it is a vowel. So the words starting with the vowels, we use and before them. I want this sketch pen of yours. This sketch pen of yours means something very specific we are talking about कि मुझे यही वाला तुम्हारा sketch pen चाहिए. So we use the demonstrative form, this noun of demonstration. I want, if I say I want this pencil of yours means मुझे यही वाली तुम्हारी पेंसिल चाहिए. If we say like this, dash project has been approved by our manager. Your project or our project, it can be used. Or we can use this also. This project has been approved by our manager. We can use this or even this. This is also correct here. Your भी आ सकता है, this भी आ सकता है. I was impressed with the reply you gave me on that day. Means I was impressed with the reply you gave me on that day. Here the demonstrative form will be used. So we are talking about some reply that you gave me on that day. किसी दिन उसने जो बात कही थी, I was impressed with the reply. So here the demonstrative form will come. Dash poultry are owned by the farmer who lives nearby. So we can write here this poultry are owned by the farmer who lives here nearby. We can add here this. जो ये poultry है, ये किसने own की हुई है? जो farmer who lives nearby. The program began with dash amazing dance show. Program began with amazing starting with the vowel, so we will use an. The program began with an amazing dance show. We went to dash busy market in that area. The busy market. We are talking about something specific. So when we are talking about something in particular, the busy part, we are talking about the busy part, so we will use the. Specific. When we are talking about something in particular or some specific, we use the word the. The dog is a faithful animal. Here we can use a. We will use a dog is a. We are talking about any dog. It can be any dog. So we are talking about any in general. We are talking about some dog. कोई भी dog हो सकता है. So indefinite article ही आएगा. A dog is a faithful animal. I am not very much aware of dash weather. I am not very much aware of means मुझे यहाँ के weather के बारे में ज्यादा knowledge नहीं है, तो मैंने simply यहाँ the use किया है. I am not very much aware of the weather. या here's weather तो नहीं आ सकता. Weather यहाँ पे the ही ज्यादा suitable रहेगा. So next we will start with the exercise number 2. Bachche, before starting this exercise, I am again telling you that we have completed one topic of that narrow escape, and I want to check the work before I start another. So I have already started the another topic, but the checking work is still pending. So I want all of you to send either 1 to 10 roll numbers. First of all, send their work, then 11 to 20, and then 21 to 30, so on. So please get your notebooks checked, or either you can send them at the reception, but not now. At present, you can send me on the phone only at my personal number. I will tell you, then you can send your notebooks at the reception also, so for the checking. But for now, you please send your work quickly. It's high time now. I have already completed the lesson and the exercise, the question answers, and I want to check your work. So it's better you keep on sending the work first to 10 roll number wise. Either you send roll number wise, or I'll be jotting down your roll numbers and names, those who are sending me the work. And I have to inform ma'am also regarding who is regular and who is not. So it is better if you send your work today only for checking. I have to show the names whose are those students who are sending me the work for checking. Is it clear to all? I have to show it to Lalita ma'am. So it's better if you send today only. Fill in the blanks with this, that, these, those. Means all these are the demonstrative part. I like living in dash country. This country. Here this will fit in better. Could you bring dash book to me please? Could you bring that book to me please? So here that will be the suitable word. Why did you say that? तुमने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did you say that? Who are dash people over there? Who are those people over there? वहाँ जो लोग खड़े हैं वो कौन हैं? Over there means वहाँ. You will enjoy dash movie. We can use that also and this also here.